Good day everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create long shadow in Affinity. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to change the text here to Be Creative. I'm going to reduce the size a little. Then I'm going to duplicate the text by right-clicking on the layer and select Duplicate, or by pressing Ctrl key plus J on my keyboard. After that, change the color of this text to any color. I change it to white and hide the layer. Now I select the first text layer and press Enter on my keyboard. The Move/Duplicate panel pops up. I fill the horizontal value to 1 pixel, vertical value to 1 pixel. The distance value and angle is filled automatically, so I'll just leave them as they are. I'll also leave the rotation to 0 degree and scale to 100%. Then I check the duplicate and fill in 200 in number of copies. If it's not long enough, then I can add the number of copies. I'll give it 800. There you go. Once it's done, I'll click OK. You can see all the duplicated text are separated into each layer. I'm gonna select them all and group them. But since they are laggy when I move them, probably it's better to rasterize them. Now it's smooth. When I move the shadow, I can change the shadow color from Layer Effects at the bottom of the layer panel. Check the color overlay and select the color I like. I'll just keep it black. Now I turn the white text layer on, and you can already see how they look. Move and resize them a bit. I'm going to add outline to the white text to make it more obvious. Click the layer effects, check outline, and change the radius to 5 pixel, or maybe 10 pixel. Resize it a bit to match the shadow width. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like this video and subscribe if you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.